check this out. There's waves at Alona Beach. We have Saturday afternoon in Alona Beach, and look at this behind me. There's absolutely nothing. So, take the kids for a haircut. So this is before, messy, and we'll have after. The stylist to the start. On the main road, just across the road from Unk's house just there, is Alan's little barber shop. Here it is here. See? So we're gonna go in and the boys are getting their hair cut. John Henry's getting a haircut. Tickles?
Yeah.
Off. Shave it.
No.
Shave it.
Let him shave
Come on.
No.
Come
Mom
on.
will be cranky.
Yeah, Mum. Yeah, don't worry about her. YouTube.
Look how.
Yeah. We're live on YouTube.
Yeah. Not for YouTube, yeah. Am I done?
Yeah. Almost done, bro. He's just gonna get the hair off you. But there you go. Look at that. Perfect haircut. How was your haircut experience?
Good.
Yeah? You think you look handsome? Your hair like Buddha, yeah? Come on. You can be a little Buddha. How does that feel? You liking it?
Hi guys.
What's happening? What's happening, mate?
Have a haircut.
Yeah? Does it hurt?
Let
A little bit?
Yeah.
But look, no. But then you're going to be handsome like Jarek. Look.
That is
Handsome.
really, that is really hurt inside
It-
my ear.
It hurts a bit?
Yeah.
But you're tough, aren't you? I'm not seeing any crying or blood or anything yet. No blood? No? You sleepy? He wants to go to Australia one day.
Oh.
Alan.
We put the line here?
Put the line. Oh, handsome. That's a handsome face. Look at that face. Can you see in the mirror? You can't, can you? No write your name on your head, no COVID?
I can put
Hidden
the
place
gel
coverage.
in there.
You go to jail?
Yeah.
Very good, alright. Handsome boy. So check this out, the boys wanted some army vests, so we created this for them. Turn around. Keep going. Cool. Just with some bits and pieces around, so now I'm going to make another one and I'll time lapse it. And this is the end result. You like it, Zion?
I'm a police officer.
Yeah, turn around so we can see the back. Oh yeah, good job. Turn around. Great stuff. Put your hands up so I can see the front. Oh, that's the stuff. Look at that. Good job, hey? You know, same day we've just had a haircut. Handsome. And now we've just gone down to the beach to have a bit of a look around. It is high tide, but there's clearly a bit of a storm somewhere because we got waves. Check that out, look. Yeah, I know, they're not big waves, I get that, but kids are enjoying themselves. Look,